The word rational means fraction, so a rational polynomial is a fraction with polynomials in the numerator, top, and or denominator, bottom. Here's an example of a rational polynomial. X plus 4 divided by x squared plus 3x plus 2. As we get started, let's remember that to add or subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. Try this mnemonic to help you remember when you need a common denominator and when you don't. Add, subtract common denominators, multiply, divide, none. Auntie sits counting diamonds, mother does not. Let's get started. First, we need to factor. Second, find a common denominator. Third, rewrite each fraction using the common denominator. 4. Put the entire numerator over the common denominator. 5. Simplify the numerator. 6. Factor and cancel if possible. 7. Write the final answer in simplified form. There are quite a few steps, but let me show you how they work. Our first expression is 1 divided by x minus 2 plus 3 divided by x plus 4. First step is to factor. Since we don't have anything to factor, let's move to the next step, writing down our denominators, x minus 2 and x plus 4. This will be our common denominator, x minus 2 times x plus 4. Now we need to create our common denominator. Let's look at our first term, 1 divided by x minus 2. X minus 2 is in the denominator. We need to multiply by x plus 4 to make our common denominator. But if we multiply by x plus 4 on the bottom, we need to multiply by x plus 4 on the top. For right now, we're going to write it and not multiply yet. Let's look at our second term, 3 divided by x plus 4. The denominator is x plus 4. We need to multiply x minus 2 times x plus 4 to get our common denominator. But once again, if we multiply by x minus 2 on the bottom, we need to multiply by it on the top too. So far, this is what we have. 1 times x plus 4 divided by x minus 2 times x plus 4 plus 3 times x minus 2 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 2. Don't foil the denominator. We may have to cancel as our final answer. Now let's write the entire numerator over our common denominator. 1 times x plus 4 plus 3 times x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 times x plus 4. Let's simplify the numerator. 1 times x plus 4 equals x plus 4. 3 times x minus 2 equals 3x minus 6. X plus 4 plus 3x minus 6 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 2. Collect like terms in the numerator. 4x minus 2 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 2. Factor the numerator if possible. 4x minus 2 equals 2 times 2x minus 1. 2 times 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 2. There isn't anything to slash or cancel, so we distribute and FOIL for our final answer. 4x minus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x minus 8. Example number 2. 2x divided by x squared minus 16 minus 1 divided by x plus 4. X squared minus 16 factors into x minus 4 times x plus 4. So let's put that into the expression. 2x divided by x minus 4 times x plus 4 minus 1 over x plus 4. Our next step is to write down all of our denominators. In the first term, we have x plus 4 times x minus 4, so we write those down. We continue to the next term and look at the denominator. We never duplicate denominators from term to term. Since we already have x plus 4 written as part of our denominator, we don't need to duplicate it, so it turns out our common denominator will be x plus 4 times x minus 4. Now we need to create our common denominator. Let's look at our first term, 2x divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. We already have our common denominator here, so we're going to move to the next term, 1 divided by x plus 4. Here we need to multiply x minus 4 to make our common denominator, but if we multiply x minus 4 on the bottom, we need to multiply by x minus 4 on the top. For right now, we're going to write it and not multiply yet. So we have 2x divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4 minus 1 times x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. Let's write the numerator all over the denominator. 2x minus 1 times x minus 4 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. Simplify the numerator, or top, and rewrite it over the denominator. Distribute negative 1 into x minus 4 equals negative 1x plus 4. Collecting like terms, 2x minus 1x equals x. So now our expression looks like x plus 4 divided by x plus 4 times x minus 4. We can slash or cancel x plus 4 over x plus 4. This gives us 1 over x minus 4 as our final answer. Example number 3. 5x squared minus 3 divided by x squared plus 6x plus 8 minus 4. First step is to factor. X squared plus 6x plus 8 equals x plus 4 times x plus 2. Our next step is to write down all of our denominators. In our first term, we have x plus 4 times x plus 2, so we write it down. The denominator for the next term is 1. Therefore, our common denominator will be x plus 4 times x plus 2. Now we need to create our common denominator. Let's look at our first term, 5x squared minus 3 divided by x plus 4 times x plus 2. We already have our common denominator here, so we're going to move to the next term, 4. Here, we only have a 1 in the denominator, so we need to multiply by x plus 4 times x plus 2 over x plus 4 times x plus 2. This is what our new expression is going to look like. 5x squared minus 3 divided by x plus 4 times x plus 2 minus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 4 times x plus 2. Let's write the whole numerator top over the denominator bottom. 5x squared minus 3 minus 4 times x plus 4 times x plus 2 divided by x plus 4 times x plus 2. We can now simplify the top or numerator. X plus 4 times x plus 2 equals x squared plus 6x plus 8. Multiply negative 4 times x squared plus 6x plus 8, and we have negative 4x squared minus 24x minus 32. Let's continue with the numerator and collect like terms. So our expression looks like x squared minus 24x minus 35 divided by x plus 4 times x plus 2. The numerator does not factor without using the quadratic formula. So this is almost our answer, except we need to FOIL the bottom or denominator. Here's our final answer. X squared minus 24x minus 35 divided by x squared plus 6x plus 8. As we've seen, the process to add or subtract rational expressions is, first we need to factor. Second, find a common denominator. Third, rewrite each fraction using the common denominator. 4, put the entire numerator over the common denominator. 5, simplify the numerator. 6, factor and cancel if possible. 7, write the final answer in simplified form.